Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be having a look at this buffet casserole here. Now you might think this is a Le Creuset pan, being the colour and the shape, and also that it's quite a heavy cast iron, but in fact it's a generic Sainsbury's one. It's surprisingly good. It is cast iron, as I just said, and there we go. It's 30 centimetres across. And being a buffet casserole or shallow casserole, it's got quite a nice flat wide base on the bottom here, so you can put it on a kind of gas hob or stove, and then into the oven afterwards, which is what we do quite often. It's a very versatile pan, and as you can see it's not discoloured too much. What we do to clean it is just kind of soak it in water for a bit and then use a bit of washing liquids, and it comes out okay. So being cast iron, it does spread the heat out very evenly, pretty good, but it's quite heavy. So we've got just a gas hob here. This is a hot point hob, and if I just, there we go. So as you can see on the larger hob, takes up quite a bit of space, but you're going to get a nice distribution of heat across the surface. Being cast iron, it's also going to retain the heat too, so when you take it off the hob to rest, it's going to continue to slowly cook and stay warm. So once fully loaded, it can be quite difficult to manoeuvre with given its weight. I tried to weigh it and it's over 5 kilos because it hit the maximum that my set scales could take. But I think with the compromise being that it's very economical and it's a good alternative to Le Creuset if you wanted to do like casseroles and such. In fact, you can do anything in it really. With the for cleaning, all you need to do is just let it soak in a bit of water and then use a bit of detergent to wash it out. Don't put these in the dishwasher because it will strip the enamel coating that you have here. This enamel coating is a bit of a non-stick coating too, so if you just make sure you have a bit of oil and just don't have too high a heat, shouldn't really be having anything stick to it. It's not a Teflon or non-stick, but it does have non-stick properties. So thanks for tuning in, like and subscribe and all that jazz. Bye bye.